14th of October. Good news, bad news. Stocks rise to resistance and fall to support, or like many, they want to think that it rises on some hypothetical news story or falls because of some news story that hits the wire and all the sellers react and start selling. So why would buyers and sellers, traders sit and stare at charts all day? They might as well just listen to the news. And as many investors that are not professionals sit and watch and listen to news every day, they assume, following a presumption, that that's the way trading is. So let me explain the chart then in good news and bad news. The good news is it will go up. The bad news it goes down if you're long. If you're short, it's good news that it goes down. But right here, we have found support today and opened above the 50 EMA. Now, if bad news hits, this will be resistance, which it is right about at resistance. If we drew a line right here that went through 50% of those candles and hit this high over here, that is considered resistance. So will that be your bad news? Or if it comes down and fills this gap right here, the gap, fills the gap, will that be because of bad news, or is that because the traders are in fear of that gap until it is filled? They're not interested in purchasing. So that's the good news, and that's the bad news. Or we can look at it as price points, resistance and support, buyers and sellers.